Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make anyone instantly like you. And these will be easy steps, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. I'll be going over 5 easy steps that you can use to make anyone basically instantly like you. If you do these things, people are gonna just like you a little bit more, and it can happen like instantaneously. You do one of these things, they're gonna like you a little bit more. You do all 5 of them, they're probably gonna like you a lot more. And it happens like almost instantaneously. It's pretty crazy how it works. So anyways, without further ado, we're going to keep this short and sweet. So let's get right into these 5 things that you can do. Number 1 is smile genuinely. So you want to smile genuinely. If you smile, and that smile is genuine, people just naturally like you more. If you have a fake smile, if you're faking it, people can tell. It's not even about the smile itself. It's about whether it seems genuine or not. So if you're like smiling and you're like a little bit nervous and the smile is not really authentic, it doesn't necessarily hurt your ability to be liked by someone, but it will not make them like you more, okay? But if you smile genuinely, it's hard to not like someone that's smiling genuinely. Plain and simple. Even if you hate someone, if they're smiling genuinely, you're gonna like them a little bit more. So smiling genuinely just brings out the likability in you, and it makes people naturally more prone to liking you. Simple as that. Number 2, use their name naturally. So whatever their name is, you want to use it naturally. You don't want to overdo it, and you don't want to incorporate it into a sentence so many times. But if you can use their name naturally, it just makes you more likable, right? So let's say I'm talking to someone over here. That person's name is John. I'm talking to someone over here. Their name is Anthony. If I'm talking to Anthony and I'm mentioning something about John, I can say, hey, Anthony, you know what? John actually told me the other day the exact same thing. They're both like me. Your likability goes through the roof when you do that. Use their name naturally. It just makes people like you. It's just, you're going to be liked more easily. Simple as that. Number 3 is ask them questions about themselves or about their opinion. If you can ask them a question about themselves and give them the ability to talk about themselves, or ask them about their opinion on something and give them the ability to express their own opinion on something, they will like you more. People love talking about themselves. People love expressing their opinions. Now, don't go crazy. Don't never mention anything about politics, religion. Those are iffy topics. None of that. None of that. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. You know what? What's your favorite car manufacturer? I love Honda. What's your favorite car manufacturer? Let them talk. They'll love it. Hey, where did you grow up? Let them talk. They'll love it. Okay? Ask them just basic questions about themselves or about their opinion, and when they answer, your likability from them will go through the roof. It is simple. Just let people talk. I love talking about myself. I love it when people ask me questions about myself. I could just for hours on end. Okay? Plain and simple. I got to stop myself from talking about myself. But when people ask me and I continue and I don't stop myself, I just keep liking them more. I talk about myself more and I like them even more. It's crazy how it works, but trust me, it works. Anyways, we're moving on. Number 4, give a sincere compliment. Now, you don't want to give them a compliment that's fake. Figure out what is a sincere compliment that you can give them. What is something that you genuinely feel like complimenting them about? It can be anything, and you can find a compliment with anybody. I've met people in my life that say it straight to my face, and they're rude to me. But I can still compliment them and say, you know what? If I ever need a real opinion on something, I'm going to ask you, because you say it like it is. You tell the truth, okay? So you can always find a compliment about somebody. So give them a sincere compliment, plain and simple, okay? Last but not least is number 5. Number 5 is just be yourself. Don't worry about being fake. Just be yourself. Allow these things to bring out the true self in you, okay? Meaning, if you are asking them questions about themselves or about their opinion, be honest with like what you want to know about them. You know, pick a topic that you're truly interested in. Just be yourself. And then that'll just make people like you more because they know you're authentic. They know you're genuine. They know you're being honest. Be yourself. Even people who are rude to me that tell me like it is. I appreciate the fact that they're themselves. Okay? I don't maybe like their comments, but at the end of the day, I appreciate the fact that they're honest, okay? And I like them a little bit more for being honest than if they were to, not say something that was on their mind and they were not being themselves. I appreciate them for being themselves. Plain and simple, okay? Just be yourself. That's it. You can use these sort of tips and pieces of advice to make anyone instantly like you. And that is truly it. I got nothing else to say. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.